In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to n8n. This process is important because it allows you to automate and streamline workflows using data from LinkedIn, enhancing productivity and efficiency in managing social connections or marketing efforts. Let's dive in and walk you through each step to ensure you can easily make this connection without any hitches. First, launch your n8n application. n8n is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect various apps and services, making your processes much more streamlined and automated. Once you're inside the application, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Credentials. Credentials in n8n are crucial as they store the data necessary for authenticating and authorizing access to various external services like LinkedIn. After you've clicked into Credentials, you'll need to create a new credential. Look for the option that says Create Credential and select it. At this point, you'll be presented with a variety of services that you can connect with. For our purpose, choose LinkedIn OAuth 2 API. The OAuth 2 API is essential here as it allows you to authorize your application to access LinkedIn on your behalf without having to share your password. Now you're going to need two pieces of information, the client ID and the client secret. These are parameters you'll typically retrieve from the LinkedIn developer portal, where you've set up your application. If you don't have these on hand, make sure to go back to your LinkedIn developer portal and get them from your app settings. Once you've inputted your client ID and client secret in the respective fields, you're ready to move forward. Next, you'll see an option that says Connect My Account. Click on it. This will redirect you to LinkedIn, where you need to sign in with your credentials. Follow the prompts to log into your LinkedIn account as you usually would. The next step is crucial for the connection to work smoothly: granting permissions. LinkedIn will prompt you to confirm that you agree to authorize n8n with the requested permissions. Pay attention to these permissions as they outline what n8n will be able to access and manage on your behalf. If you're comfortable with what you see, go ahead and click Allow, or whatever the confirmation button is labeled as, to finalize granting these permissions. Once you've gone through these steps and successfully signed in and granted permissions, it's time to solidify this connection. Head back over to n8n and make sure to save these credentials. It's important you'll want to make sure everything is saved correctly to ensure a seamless connection later on when you're building workflows in n8n. And there you have it. You've successfully connected LinkedIn to n8n. Remember, this setup allows you to incorporate LinkedIn data into your workflows, making your tasks not only more efficient, but also much more effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to learn about other powerful integrations you can create with n8n.